Hello dear friends, welcome to our infinity classes. In this video, we are going to solve the problems on linear programming. That is very important problem for the point of your midterm exam as well as annual exam. For 6 marks, it will be asked in the part E, question number 46. See your linear programming problem. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ midterm ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಾಗಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 46. ಸೊ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್, the first problem, maximize and minimize. See here the objective function is given, maximize and minimize. Maximize means we have to find the maximum value and minimize means minimum value of the objective function, and certain conditions or restrictions are given here that are called as what? Restrictions are nothing but constraints. Subject to the constraints, that is x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100 and 2x minus y less than or equal to 0, 2x plus y less than or equal to 200, x comma y greater than or equal to 0. So by graphically ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ by graphical method, by graphical ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? z is equal to x plus 2y. Z is equal to x plus 2y. Now subject to the constraints ಕೊಟ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ what is the first constraint? That is inequality is given here, that is x plus 2y is greater than or equal to what? 100 and 2x minus y is less than or equal to what? 0 and 2x plus y so first this one, for first constraint we have to find the coordinate table for the x coordinate and y coordinate. For that we are writing inequality as a equation here, x plus 2y. We will remove the inequality sign, that is greater than or equal to, we are writing here equal to 100. Yes, so we are converting in terms of what? Equation, and finding the two coordinates of this line, this constraint, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. Here x coordinate and y coordinate. If I put x 0 here, illi nanu yahan par main x ki value 0, if I put x 0 here, then 2y is equal to what? 100. X 0, then 2y will become what? 100. 2 ones are 250s are, then the value of y is what? 50 here. If I put y coordinate 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು y coordinate 0 ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, put ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2y 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 into 0 0, that is x is equal to what? 100. The value of x is what? 100. For this table we find that two coordinates for this line. The coordinate table is what? X is 0, y is what? 50, and y is 0, x is what? 100. So similarly we are going to find that the another this one here. For second constraint we will take this one lastly. So write the second constraint as a 2x, that is 2x plus y less than or equal to what? 200, that is 2x plus y is equal to what? 200. For this one we have to write that two values for x and y. We have to find the coordinates. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಎರಡು ಕೋಆर्डिनेट ನಾವು फाइंड ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, इसी में दो कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड करते हैं हम, x y. x की वैल्यू एक बार 0 रखना है, x की वैल्यू 0 रखो, y की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? 200. y की वैल्यू को 0 पुट कर दो यहाँ पर. सो 2x is equal to 200, that is 2x is equal to what? 200. then 2 ones are 2 into 100s are, then x coordinate will be what? 100 here. इस तरह से हमें दो कोऑर्डिनेट टेबल बना लिए. उसके बाद में और एक कंस्टेंट है यहाँ पर, मತ್ತೊಂದು कंस्टेंट इतिली 2x minus y less than or equal to what? 0. 2x minus y less than or equal to 0. For this one we have to write here, it passes through the what? 2x minus y less than or equal to 0, and 2x minus y equal to what? 0 here. For this one we have to find the coordinate table. Wait a minute, we will make the space for this one here. Wait a minute, so I need some more space for this one. This is the third constraint. Here I want the space for that. See here. Now x and y. We need to find the x and y for the constraint 2x minus y is equal to what? 0. So for that, take x is what here? 0. Y is also 0. Take x as what? 50. Then y will be what? 100 here. You have to take any value here because it passes through the what? Origin. It passes through the what? Origin, because right side is what here? 0 will be there. Yes. So now draw the graph for this line. Now draw the line x-axis and similarly y-axis. Draw the y-axis also here. Y-axis. So this is y-axis and this is what? X-axis. Now what is the highest coordinate value for x is what? 100, and highest value for y is what? 200. Yes, we need to mark the points here along x-axis and y-axis. Take one division. The scale is not compulsory here, so we will take this one here. See here, I will take 2 division. One division is what? 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. Similarly along y-axis, 0, 50, 100, 0, 50, 100. This is the 0 passing through the origin. Now this is what? 50, 100, 150 and 200 and 250. Now let us mark the point. So x coordinate is what? First coordinate is what here? X coordinate is what here? 0. For this line, x coordinate is what? 0, 0, 50. Here it is 0, 0, 50. It will lies here 0, 50. First point. Then after that 100, 0. Where is 100 here? 100 is here. That is 100, 0. Now draw the line here. This is the line. So this we have to draw here and write the equation of this line, that is 2x plus y. 2x plus y greater than or equal to what? 100. 2x plus y greater than or equal to what? 100. Similarly for second line, x is 0, y is what? 200. That is, it comes here 0, 200. Then 100, 0. This is what? 100, 0. Again here 100, 0. Yes. Now draw the, already it is there 100, 0. Now draw the line for this one. Hundred, 0. Draw the straight line. And write the equation for this one. What is the equation for this line? That is 2x plus y less than or equal to what? 200. 2x plus y less than or equal to what? 200. 2x plus y is what? Less than or equal to 200. Now the third constraint, that is x0, y0, x50, y100. x0, y will be what? Also 0. x50, y is what? 100. 100 comes here. Yes, it passes through the what? Origin. x0, x50 means y will be what? 100. So we have to draw this one. Draw the line here. Draw the line, straight line for this one. And this is the line. So in this way, we have to first draw the graph. Then we need to find the feasible region. Then we have to find the what? Feasible region. So how to find the feasible region here? Here we have to find the feasible region. First we find the inequality. We have written the inequality in terms of what? Equality here, because equation form. So remove this greater than or equal to sign and write the equal to sign and find the coordinates for this constraint, and similarly coordinates for second constraint and coordinate for third constraint. After that, plot the draw the straight line for the first constraint, that is this one, and for second this red one line, and for third it passes through the what? Origin, that is in this way. So we have to write here the equation for this line also, that is equation for this one is what is the equation here? 2x minus y less than or equal to 0. 2x minus y less than or equal to what? 0. So in this manner we have to first draw the graph. Then after that we need to find the feasible region. How to find the feasible? It is very easy, dear students, as we have to take the testing point as 0, 0. If you put 0, x0 and y0 in the inequality, if it is satisfied, the solution lies towards the origin. If it is not satisfies the inequality, the solution lies away from the what? Origin. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನೈತೆ ನಮ್ದು x+2y ಐತಿ. ಇನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, x+2y ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 100 ಐತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, x ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ 0, y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ 0 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0 is greater than 100. Condition false, which is false. ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ತರ. ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಅಬೋ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲೈನ್. ಎಸ್, ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ತರ, away from origin. Yes. Now the second condition, second inequality is what here? 2x plus y is less than or equal to 200. 2x plus y is less than or equal to what? 200. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0, 0 ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್? ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 0, 0. Put x0 and y0 and check the inequality here. 2 into 0, again 0 is less than or equal to 200. This condition is what? True. If it is true means, see the straight line for this equation is this one. So feasible region lies towards origin. ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? towards origin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. towards origin. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ center equation is there here. 2x minus y. I will write to test this one. 2x minus y is less than or equal to 0. See here, observe here, ಇದು less than 0 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ towards y axis, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ y axis ಕಡೆ. if it is greater than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. this line is passes through the what? in this direction, so we have to shade in this way. so this is the what? feasible. ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಅದ above. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಏನೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್. ದಿಸ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as ವಾಟ್? ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಈಗ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಲೈನ್, ಸಿ ದ ಬ್ಲೂ ಲೈನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಇತ್ತು ನಾವು ಈ ಕಡೆ y axis ಸೈಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಅವಗಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, passing through the origin in this direction. So this common region is called as what? Determined by the all the constraints is called as what? Feasible region. ಈ common region ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ feasible region ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. This is called the feasible region. And the corner points of the feasible region are, ನಾವು ಈ corner points ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So pause the video and note it down. Pause the video and note it down here. So the corner points of the feasible region. First corner point ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, second ಇಲ್ಲಿ, third, fourth. So 4 corner points we will get here. ಎಷ್ಟು corner point ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 corner point ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Pause the video and note it down this one. Corner points of the feasible region are first 0,50 here. Therefore write the corner points now. Therefore the common region, this is A. First write the A corner points here. This is A and this is B and this is C and this is what? D. The shaded region represents A, B, C, D, A. The shaded region A, B, C, D, A represents the shaded region A, B, C, D, A is called feasible region. Is called feasible region. ನಾವು ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಏನಿರ್ತೀಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಇದು ಏನ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿವಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಬೈ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as ವಾಟ್? ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಆರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ದಾಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ದ solution lies towards the origin or away from the origin and shade the feasible region. Then after shading write the corner points and find the maximum value and minimum value of the function. So in the next slide I am going to write the corner points of the feasible region are. Corner point ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A 0,50, B. So B from the graph we can see the point of intersection that you will get the what? 20,40. 20,40. So this will be what? 20,40. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 20, ಇದು x coordinate 20, ಇದು 40 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು A 0,50. The corner points of the feasible region are, therefore the corner points of feasible region. The corner points of feasible region are, the corner points of the feasible region are A 0,50, B 20,40. ಇಲ್ಲಿ B, this point A 0,50, B 20,40, then C and C 50,100. This will be what? See here 50. This is the 50 and this is what? 100. 50,100. C is what? 50,100. 50,100 and D is what? 0,200. C, what is the coordinates of C here? 50 comma 100, that is 50 comma 100. Coordinate of C is what here? 6. 50 comma 100. D is what? 0 comma 200. 50 comma 100. D 0 comma 200. Now find the corner points and draw that table. This one, that is corner points A 0 comma 50, B 20 comma 40, C 50 comma 100, and D 0 comma 200. After writing these coordinate table, find the maximum value and minimum value of the objective function. What is our objective function? Z is equal to x plus 2y. Z is equal to x plus 2y. Z is equal to x plus 2y. Here put x 0, that is Z is equal to what? 0. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is what? 50 plus 2 into 50. That is equal to what? 100. Here Z is equal to x coordinate is what here? 20. Y coordinate is what? 40. 20 plus 2 into 40. Again 2 into 40 is what? 80. 80 plus 20 is what? 100. And what are the coordinates of C here? That is x is what? 50. Y is what? 100. Put here x is 50 and x is what? 50 plus 2 into 100. 2 into 100 is what? 200. 200 plus 50 is what? 250. And similarly, this is x and this is y here. D, that is Z is equal to 0 plus 2 into 200. That is what? 400. You can observe here. So this type we have to find the value of maximum value and minimum value of the function. Pause the video and note it down this one. So once again, A 0 comma 50, B 20 comma 40, C 50 comma 100, D 0 comma 200. From the graph we find the what corner point here. First A 0 comma 50, B is what? B is what here? This one 20 comma 40. Then C is what? 50 comma 100 and D is what? 0 comma 200. Now find the maximum value here. From here we can observe that what is the maximum value here? Maximum value is what? 400. Maximum value is what? 400 and minimum value is what? 100. Minimum value is what? 100. So right, therefore Z is maximum. The maximum value of Z is what? 400 and the minimum value is what? 100. And the minimum value is what? 100. So right here in the table, after writing this one, write the therefore the maximum value of Z is 400 at D 0 comma 200 and the minimum value of Z is, here we are getting multiple minimum values, two minimum values. Minimum value of Z is 200 at A 0 comma 50 and B 20 comma 40 and B 20 comma 40. So these are very simple problem. First what we did, we are written the what? Objective function. So once again I am explaining here. First write the objective function and constraints and write the constraints in terms of what equation to find the coordinate table. Find the coordinate table, that is x coordinate and y coordinate values, x coordinate, y coordinate value, and x coordinate, and test the and draw the straight lines on the graph and find the feasible region by putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in the inequality, that is constraint. If it condition is satisfied, the feasible region lies towards the origin. If condition is not satisfied, means condition is false, means the feasible region lies away from the origin. And this is right side equal to what, 0 here in the third inequality. See here right side is 0, means this line passes through the origin, that is 0 comma 0, and take any value and test. If it is less than 0, shade towards the what, y axis. If it is greater than, shade towards the what, x axis. So the feasible region, the shaded region ABCDA is called as what, feasible region, and the corner points of the feasible region are A 0, 50, B 20, 40, C 50, 100, D 0, 200. By taking these corner points, we have to find the maximum value and minimum value of the function. The corner points of the feasible region are A 0, 50, B 20, 40, C 50, 100, D 0, 200, and draw the table here, corner points and value of Z. Z is equal to x plus 2y. Z means what? Objective function here. Write the value A 0, 50. Put here x 0, y 50. 0, 2 into 50 is what? 100. And the B 20, 40. 20 plus 2 into 40 is what? Again 100. And 50 into 100, 50, 2 into 100, 250. And Z is equal to 0 plus 2 into 200 is what? 400. Which is maximum value here? Maximum value is what? 400. This is the maximum and this is what? Minimum value. Yes. Therefore, write the maximum value of Z is what? 400 at the corner point D 0, 200, and the minimum value of Z is what? 200 at A 0, 50 and B 20, 40. So this is the what, the method of solving the problem by graphically. Moving to the what, next problem. It is very important problem that has been already asked in the year March 2020. So again, same way we have to proceed here. Maximize and minimize Z is equal to 4x plus Z is equal to 4x plus y, subject to the constraints x plus y less than or equal to 50, 3x plus y less than or equal to 90, x comma y greater than or equal to 0. See here, in the previous problem also it is given x comma y greater than or equal to 0. It means our graph lies in the what, first coordinate, and it also called as what, non-negative constraint ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x comma y greater than or equal to 0, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿದೆ non-negative constraint ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ our graph lies on the what, y axis ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y axis ಮತ್ತು x axis ಅನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ I will draw the y axis and x axis. Now later on we have to find the coordinate tables in the same way as we did in the last problem. Yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x axis y axis ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. This is y axis. Draw the x-axis also here. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Yes, x-axis and y-axis. Now start it for writing the solution for this one. So here you have to maximize and minimize. Maximize means we have to find the maximum value. Minimize andre minimum value na navu illi find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Write the solution here. That is z is equal to, first write the objective function z is equal to 4x plus y, and write the constraint, that is x plus y less than or equal to 50, and write this constraint in the equation form, that is remove the inequality sign, write the equal to here, x plus y is equal to what, 50. Now 3x plus y less than or equal to what, 90, and then write this inequality in the form of what, equation, by removing less than or equal to and writing equal to here. Yes, now find the coordinates for these two constraints. Find the coordinates for these two constraints. Here we have to find the coordinates for these two constraints. To find the coordinates, so let us draw the table here, coordinate table, and find the coordinates for this x and y. And same for this one. So here for this line, if I put x0, so y is equal to what? 50. If I put y0, x is what? 50. And coming to this equation here for second constraint, if I put x0 here, y is equal to what? 90. If I put y0, 3x is equal to what? 90. It will become what? 30. So plot these points on the graph. On the graph, you have to plot these points. And mark the points x-axis and y-axis. See here, on the x-axis I am writing here 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30. 1 unit is equal to what? 10, 10 difference. 1 unit is what? 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 50, 60. Write the once again I am writing here. See here. Once again I am writing. See here. Once again I am writing here. That is x coordinates here. Sorry, we did the mistake here. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So what is the highest value x coordinate is what? Last 50 is here. Enough it is. Now on the y axis I am writing here 20. Difference is what? Last is what? Y axis 90 will be there. So I am going to write here same, that is 10, 10, then this one. Wait a minute. The difference to this is 10. Now this is 20. Take 20. 20. Then this one is what? 40. Then 60. 80. Then this is what? 100. Mark the x-axis and y. On the x-axis, 1 unit is equal to what? 10, 10, 10 difference. On the y-axis, 2 unit is equal to what? 20, 20 difference. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 like that. Now point out, now mark the points here. X is 0 for the first table. So this I am going to draw now here. This table. X coordinate is what here? 0. Y coordinate is what? 50. X0, Y50. X0, 0 means here. Y50 means what? 50 comes here. 0, 50. 0, 50. Mark the point. Next, Y0, X50. Here it is. 50, 0. Now draw the straight line. And draw the straight line for this one. Draw the straight line for this one. And next, for second one, for this table, x coordinate is what? 0, y coordinate is what? 90. 0, 90. It will come here. That is 0, 90. 0, 90 and 30, 0. 0, 90 is here. 30, 0. Where is 30? 30 is here. 30, 0. 30, 0 and draw the straight line. So write the equation for this one. What is the equation of this line? 3x plus y is less than or equal to 9. So equation of this line is what? 3x plus y less than or equal to what? 90. And equation for this blue line, that is x plus y is less than or equal to 50. Now after drawing the graph, we need to test whether the solution lies towards the origin or away from the origin. So how to do this one? So again we have to write the inequality here, and by taking the testing one. For the first one we are writing this inequality, that is x plus y is less than or equal to what? 50. Put x is 0 and y is 0. 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 50. Then 0 is less than or equal to what? 50. It is true. If it is true means what? Solution lies towards the origin. Towards origin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, towards origin. Solution lies towards origin for this line. Yes. And the next ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ತದ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇದೆ. And the line is second constraint is intersecting at this point. We have to test the second constraints also. Then after that we have to decide which is the feasible region and which is not the feasible region. So 3x plus y is less than or equal to what? 90. Then again 3 into 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 90. Then 0 is less than or equal to what? 90. Again it is true. This is also true. So it means the solution lies towards origin. Towards origin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಪ್ಪ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ನಾವು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ by intersecting. So this region is called as what? Feasible region. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ feasible region ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. This region is called as what? Feasible region. ಇದು region ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ feasible region. This region is what? Feasible region. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ್ದು ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇದು ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ O 0, 0 and this is A and this is B and this is C. These are the corner points O A B C. O A B C is the what? Corner point. The shaded region A O A. Yes, write the pause the video and note it down. Therefore the shaded region, therefore ಇದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀರಿ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ O A B C, O A B C O, O A O A B C O is called feasible region. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ is called feasible region. Is called feasible region. And the corner points of the feasible region are, next slide ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ corner points. Corner points of feasible region are O 0, 0 and A. What are the coordinates of A? From the graph we can observe here 30, 0 and B 30, 0. B, the coordinates of B from the graph. What are the coordinates of B? See here, check the x-axis and y-axis. This is 20, this is 20 and this is what? 30. 20, 30. 20, 30 and D, the coordinates of D. D is what here? 0, sorry, C. Coordinates of C is what? 0, 50. 0, 50. This is C. C is what? 0, 50. Once again, see here. The corner points of the feasible region are 0, 0, A 30, 0, B 20, 30, C 0, 50. See here. Once again from the graph, so this part is called, this region is called as what? Feasible region. OABCO, the shaded region OABCO is called feasible region, and the corner points of the feasible region are O 0, 0 and A 30, 0, B, and B is what here? From the graph you can observe here, this is x-axis, this is 20 and this is what? 30. 20, 30, the point of intersection B, 20, 30, and the C is what? 0, 50. So that we are writing here 0, 0, 30, 0 and 20, 30 and 0, 50. Now find the maximum value and minimum value here. Maximum value and minimum value. Zero, 0, 30, 0, 20, 30 and 0, 50. So again I am writing here in the corner points table. So first write the corner point 0, 0, A 30, 0, B 20, 30 and C 0, 50. What is objective function? Value of Z. Andre, what is the objective function here? Z is equal to 4x plus y. Z is equal to what? 4x plus y. Z is equal to 4x plus y. Now we need to write here. This is x coordinate y. X, y, x, y and x, y. Put here in this table, that is Z is equal to 4 into 0 plus 0, then Z is equal to, that is equal to what? 0. 4 into 30 plus 0. 4 into 0, 0, 0, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. 4 into 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is what? 0. Then A coordinate is what? 30, 0. 4 into 30 plus 0. 4 into 30 means what? 120. Then Z is equal to 4 into 20 plus 30. 4 into 20, 80. 80 plus 30 is what? 110. And Z is equal to 4 into 0 plus 50. 4 into 0, 0, that is 50. So this is the what? The table. So from the table we can observe which is maximum value and which is minimum value here. Which is the maximum here? 120 is the maximum value and minimum value is what? 0 here. Therefore the maximum value of Z is, so this is maximum and this will be what? 0 is what? Minimum. Minimum. Therefore write the maximum value of Z is yes, right. Therefore Z is maximum. Only this has been asked for maximum, not minimum here. So both values we get here. Therefore Z is maximum. Z is the, therefore the maximum value of Z. Therefore the maximum value of Z value of Z is 120 at the corner point A 30, 0. 30, 0. And the minimum value is what? 0. Minimum value of Z is 0 at 0, 0. Pause the video and note it down. So in this video only this much. So keep on watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel.